Hi, I'm Kyle with From You Flowers, and we're here today to teach you how to take care of your succulents. Now listen, succulents are having a moment and we at From You Flowers are here for it. These beautiful plants can last up to 5 years with just a little bit of care, so we're here today to teach you how to take care of your succulents. Succulents are an awesome plant, and they're actually very hardy, but there are just a few downfalls that if you know your way around, they can help it last for years. So the two downfalls of succulents is not enough sunlight and overwatering. So you can't love these guys too much. You gotta back away a little bit. Let's teach you how to water your succulents. There are two great ways to make sure that you don't overwater your succulents. Let's look at them. So, number one is to mist them. Just fill up your mister with water, and it's very easy actually. Just do a light mist over your succulent plants. Make sure you don't give them too much. If you see a little bit of dew accumulating on them, you know that's just the right amount. And that's it. Leave that for 7, maybe 10 days. The second way, this feels a little more scientific, is with a dropper. So just fill the dropper up with water, and you can get right inside here, right into the soil. This way you avoid getting water on any of the leaves, which can cause mold and some bacteria sometimes. So again, just drop that water right in there, right onto the soil, and that's it. Walk away. Do not overwater your succulents. Our final tip in how to take care of your succulent is actually all about pruning. So just like human hair, succulents sometimes need a little haircut. So you may notice on some of your succulents, you may notice some of the tips turning brown or looking a little dry and withery. Totally normal, nothing to be concerned about. Take your pruning shears out, or you can do it with your fingers actually, if you want. You just take that little tip off and discard that. Another thing that you may notice is sometimes they'll drop little bits of their leaves down here and they end up in the soil. You're going to want to take those out of the soil. It will keep your plant healthier for longer, and it's also just aesthetically a little more pleasing. So that's our final tip in how to take care of your succulents. So now that you know how to take care of your succulents and you're thinking, this may be the perfect gift, well, we've got some recommendations for you. Number one, our chic succulent. Like the title says, very chic, modern, clean design. Number two is this succulent garden, which is kind of fun. It's got all kinds of different textures, different colors. These are perfect things to send to someone who works in an office, may not be there every day to take care of it. These succulents will thrive in that environment, and they're going to be very well loved. Thank you for watching our How to Take Care of Succulent video. For more information, head over to our YouTube channel.